Hello students. So today our second topic from lesson nitric acid, and this one is the important one. Ostwald's process industrial preparation of nitric acid in large scale. When we are going to prepare the nitric acid, so that process we say Ostwald's process. So I am telling you this whole process with the flow chart. First we take our two reactants, pure ammonia and air, with 1 volume and 10 volume ratio. So this is also 1 marks question. So what's volume of ammonia and air we take in the Ostwald process as a reactant? So these two gases are passed through first chamber, catalytic chamber, and in this reaction will take place. Ammonia will oxidize in presence of catalyst platinum at 800 degrees Celsius temperature and form the nitric oxide, and this reaction is also exothermic reaction. So in this process, to make it forward reaction, the concentration of reactant we have to increase according to Le Chatelier's principle. So after the preparation of nitric acid, this nitric acid will cooled through the cooling chamber, and after cooling, this nitric oxide easily oxidized into nitrogen dioxide. So nitrogen dioxide uh, in the absorption tower is mixed with water and air oxygen, finally get the formation of nitric acid. So this nitric acid is 50%, okay, nitric acid, dilute nitric acid, and this is the whole process. So first reaction, second reaction, third and fourth. So important are first, third and fourth. So mainly are 3-step reactions. So one question will come by this process. So we obtain the nitric acid 50 or 60%, okay, that can be make 68% concentrated by boiling, and if not, then how is it concentrated? So concentration can be made by removing the water molecules. What distillation method we cannot use here? Why? Because this percentage of nitric acid is actually azeotropic mixture, in which water and nitric acid has same boiling point. So what's the reason? And answer: no, dilute HNO3 cannot be concentrated beyond 68% by boiling. It can be concentrated by distilling it with only concentrated nitric acid, because this acid do not react with the nitric acid. So finally we can because in this case one property of concentrated nitric acid is showing, that is dehydrating property. So by this property we remove the water and make it more concentrated. So acid under reduced pressure. So pure 100% nitric acid is obtained by cooling the 98% acid, when colorless crystals of pure HNO3 acid get separated at minus 42 degree Celsius. So one term is coming here. So why the 60% acid cannot be make more concentrated beyond this percentage? Because this percentage we say azeotropic mixture or concentration, at which the boiling point of HNO3 and water become same. Okay, so that's why with the distillation method boiling point difference is not there, so we cannot use the distillation method. But distillation with or dehydration with concentrated sulfuric acid, we can make it 100% pure. So this is a simple process, Ostwald process. So you know, in HCl, sorry, in H2SO4 last time we learned about one important process, contact process. So similarly in nitric acid we now learning about Ostwald process. So these two processes are most important. Okay, so this one is the article, and practice this with the reactions, and this is a one question from this article. So have a nice day. practice this. Okay, thanks very much.